Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the headset and phone are ready. Inspect lenses and straps, and clean with a microfiber cloth so images stay sharp. Next, charge the headset battery or insert fresh batteries and update your smartphone OS to avoid compatibility issues. Once done, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location on the phone, then install and sign into the VR app you plan to use. This reduces interruptions and makes the next step fast and smooth. You now mount and calibrate. Open the headset cradle, place the phone so its center line matches the lens markers, and secure it with the clamps to prevent slipping. Make sure the phone is perfectly centered to avoid distortion. Close the cover and lock it in place. Then, adjust the interpupillary distance and strap tension to align the lenses with your eyes and reduce blur and fatigue. After that, run the VR app's calibration or Guardian setup to define your play area. You finish by launching the VR app and setting comfort options like field of view, motion smoothing, and audio levels to minimize nausea. Then test head tracking and any controller inputs. If tracking drifts or controllers don't respond, recalibrate through the app settings. If problems persist, reboot the phone and headset, reseat the phone in the cradle ensuring firm alignment, and verify app permissions for camera, motion sensors, and location. This routine fixes most startup issues quickly, so you can enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.